The United States Court of Appeals for the Fifth Circuit temporarily halted the Biden administration's rule requiring employers with over 100 workers to mandate vaccinations or implement weekly testing in a ruling issued Saturday on a lawsuit filed by state attorneys general. The court ordered the vaccine mandate to be temporarily halted. The mandate was to be enforced through the Occupational Safety and Health Administration and set to go into effect January 4. The court wrote, "Because the petitions give cause to believe there are grave statutory and constitutional issues with the mandate is hereby stayed pending further action by this court." The OSHA rule would require employers with over 100 employees to either mandate vaccines for all their workers or require unvaccinated employees to provide negative corona tests weekly, beginning on January 4. Unvaccinated workers are also required to wear masks starting December 5. Solicitor of Labor Seeman Nanda vowed to fight the Fifth Circuit's ruling in court in a statement shared with the Daily Caller News Foundation. Nanda said, "The United States Department of Labor is confident in its legal authority to issue the emergency temporary standard on vaccination and testing. The Occupational Safety and Health Act explicitly gives OSHA the authority to act quickly in an emergency where the agency finds that workers are subjected to a grave danger and a new standard is necessary to protect them. The new emergency temporary standard is well within OSHA's authority under the law and is consistent with OSHA's requirements to protect the health and safety of workers." She added, declaring that the Department of Labor was fully prepared to defend this standard in court. The United States government has until 5 p.m. Monday to respond to the ruling. The guidance also stated that anyone who knowingly makes any false statement, representation, or certification about their vaccination status could face up to 6 months jail time and a $10,000 fine. Senator Josh Hawley said he has joined an effort spearheaded by fellow Republican Senator Mike Braun to block Joe Biden's private employer vaccine mandate under the Congressional Review Act, the process by which Congress can scrap an executive branch rule. Congressional Republicans, which include both Senate and House lawmakers, are seeking a formal nullification of Biden's mandate. Hawley said in a November 5 statement that Biden's mandate threatens to worsen the current labor shortage and supply chain issues, is an unconstitutional infringement on the fundamental rights of American citizens, and unlawfully bypasses established regulatory procedures. Hawley said, "He is ignoring this basic principle by forcing employers to require their workers be vaccinated, undergo rigorous testing procedures, or be fired. It's wrong, will make our nation's economic challenges worse, and must not be allowed to go into effect." The Missouri Republican is the latest Republican lawmaker to join the initiative, which Braun announced on November 3, when he said he was leading an effort to nullify Biden's mandate under the Congressional Review Act, which allows Congress to block an executive branch rule with simple House and Senate majorities. Braun said in a statement, "Since the announcement of President Biden's vaccine and testing mandate in September, I have led the charge to strike down this vast overstep of authority by the federal government. Today, we are one step closer to protecting the liberties of millions of Americans in the private sector workforce under the Congressional Review Act. I urge my Senate colleagues to vote in favor of this disapproval resolution in the coming weeks."